Want to make BingX easier on your eyes during late night trading sessions? Turning on dark mode in the BingX app in 2026 only takes a few taps. Open the BingX official website or launch the BingX app on your device. Next, tap your profile icon in the top corner to open the account menu. Go to Settings, then look for Appearance, Theme, or Display Settings. Select Dark Mode or Dark Theme and enable it. The app should immediately switch to a darker color scheme, making charts and menus easier to view in low light environments. If you don't see a dark mode option inside the app, BingX may automatically follow your phone system theme settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Display, and Brightness. And again, Dark. On Android, go to Settings, Display, Dark Theme, and enable it. Once enabled, reopen the BingX app if necessary, and it should automatically switch to dark mode. And that's how you turn on dark mode in the BingX app in 2026. Enjoy a cleaner look and make comfortable trading experience, especially during long market sessions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.